Hello everybody, this is the boy Rome. Welcome back to the channel. First and foremost, make sure you drop a like and video, subscribe if you're brand new. And today we're going to talk a little bit about Manchester United, the top four race, and I think the top four will end up, or the top four race will end up, or we will end at the end of the season, and what to look forward next year. If we can look forward to anything next year. But before that, referee, blow whistle. Let's go. All right. So the top four race get really, really complicated this weekend because just when I thought that Tottenham was going to take a strong hold of it, just when I thought that Arsenal was going to take a push towards it again, they both lost. And luckily enough, Manchester United was able to squeeze out a 3-2 win over Norwich City. So I kind of leave the field open up now for Manchester United to kind of start take another run to it. So let me tell you what went down over the weekend and kind of talk about what we will be moving forward. So first, Tottenham. No, I can't tell you I don't know what to say about Tottenham other than that they weren't quick enough towards the ball. They weren't quick enough with the ball. They weren't playing together as a team. And luckily, so fortunately for Manchester United, Tottenham lost 1-0. And to say that it wasn't a good game because you could tell from the get-go that Tottenham was always second to the ball, or always second to the ball, always trying. Yes, I saw a couple of highlights here or there, but it was always evident that Tottenham was not pushing for the win, regardless of how they wanted it, they weren't pushing for it, and which is a good thing because again, know that Tottenham is now 3 points behind Manchester United. Same thing with Arsenal. No, at first I wasn't one who was thinking that Arsenal was going to do anything this season. I thought Arsenal was going to be 7th or 8th, trying to keep the heads afloat. But Mikel Arteta fought well. They played well. They had good periods in the season where they were actually playing good football. And it seems like the knot within the Arsenal team that kept them together has fallen apart due to 3 key injuries. And now it's slowly breaking, slowly but surely. Let me tell you why. Arsenal players with Xhaka, Tierney, Tomiyasu, right? Here's the thing about this now with Arsenal and the midfielders they have Tomiyasu injured, Tierney injured for the rest of the season, which means that they don't have a decent left back to cover Tomiyasu. So what they had to do, push Xhaka in at left back, which means Elneny had to play midfield or Lokonga. Now, that's a situation within itself because Lokonga can't pass the ball to save his life. He can't tackle. I don't know why he's playing for this team. However, it's a good idea from Mikel Arteta to play Xhaka. I don't think Elneny is any different, but he's more experienced. So I think if he's able to get the ball, keep the ball, pass the ball left or right, it'll be better than I'm not complaining anyway. But without the midfield need that's in the Arsenal team, I find themselves playing Xhaka right back or left back, Lokonga in the midfield, Odegaard in the midfield, probably Emil Smith-Rowe, who should be playing further upfield, that kind of stuff. So it's kind of difficult for Arsenal to maintain a steady midfield, which wouldn't set them move forward to play in the attacking line. So it's kind of difficult for them to play football, which is very difficult for them to maintain the team structure. So ideally, what happened was they lost the game 1-0, and now Arsenal is struggling, just like how Manchester United has been struggling and how Tottenham is struggling. So the race is wide open for the top 4. Manchester United is struggling with their midfield problems as well because Fred is out injured, McTominay is out injured. So there's no guarantee that we'll have a steady midfield to play against Liverpool. Actually, we'll probably play the same 3 against Liverpool, which is going to be McTominay, which is going to be Matic, Pogba, and Bruno. Don't get me wrong, when they're playing, when they play football versus Norwich, appearance of the game where it was good. It was a good look, yeah. But at the end of the day, they're playing against Liverpool. And the last time we played against Liverpool, we pick up 5. I'm dreading that we're going to get another 5. But there is hope. I will not watch the match. I would rather go to the gym and work out. I want to see it. I want to hear the results. I don't want to hear the results because it's going to hurt me heart. If them win, we watch the highlights. I'm watching the talk about it on YouTube, but I can't do it. We have Arsenal to play again, and that's, I think, it's Wednesday. No, we have Arsenal this weekend. Arsenal plays Chelsea this Wednesday. Hopefully they can get a win from Chelsea so Arsenal can stay where they are. And let's hope. Let's just hope. Let's just hope. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Let's see what's going to happen in the top 4 race. It's going to be a difficult and complicated. But hey, thank you guys for watching. My name is Rome. Best of yourself. Take care of yourself. Take care of others. Manaz.